Hey, it's John with JohnLaguardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of the Astral Ceiba. This is a personal flotation device that they sent me for review, and I'm really looking forward to getting this out on the water this spring and summer. Now let's go ahead and open this big box. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah. Let's check this out. So yeah, this is the Ceiba, and they're touting this as the most comfortable life jacket that they make. And this PFD happens to be environmentally friendly as well. So the front of this thing is filled with what they call kapok material. And it's a naturally buoyant fiber that feels just like down. And I can tell you just by kind of squeezing this, it feels like a really thick down, basically. This shell that's on both sides of this is also a Blue Sign certified 100% recycled polyester. So great for the environment. And I love products like this and companies that put an emphasis on being environmentally friendly with their product production. So let's just take a quick look while we're here. Looks like there's a zipper pocket here in the front. Yep, and also a little keeper cord as well. That's kind of nice. You've also got a area here where you could strap something on or clip it. Full zipper in the front. This is an adult medium large. There is a buckle on the bottom. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Also something cool about this, there's zipper pockets on the side where you can put your hands in there, and they're lined with fleece on the front. So just on the back side of this polyester material, there's fleece to keep your hands nice and warm and dry. Let's check out the back here. There's 9 points of adjustment on this. You can see the buckles here on both sides. There's 6 right there. And then on the top here, you've got 2 adjustments there, and then this buckle in the front. Yeah, so you've also got this strap up here as well, and of course the drainage holes too when that gets wet. You got that on the front and the back. Let's see what the tags here say. We mentioned the soft kapok, the Blue Sign shell, 9 points of adjustment, hand warmers in the front. That's that nice fleeced line pocket up there. Quick access to a knife tab and exterior folding knife slip pocket. And then you've also got a pocket with a key loop too, which we saw at the very beginning. Yeah, this looks amazing. The liner fabric is 200 denier. The weight of this is 2.14 pounds, so it's super lightweight actually. This is pretty impressive how light this is for such a big PFD. The Astral Ceiba comes in water blue, which is this color, space black, and fire orange. And this PFD retails for $160. You can check it out online at astraldesigns.com. I'll put a link down in the description below. In addition to that, one way that you can help out the channel is please hit that subscribe button. That really helps me get the word out. And I hope this was a helpful first look at the Astral Ceiba for you today. If you have any questions, leave that down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.